Welcome back to Cannon Coffee. Here we have a Pasquini Livia 90 that was brought in by Marjan. Thank you for bringing it in. Marjan complained that there was a loud sound of explosions when it was steaming and the single press button was not working. So we dug in a little bit and we found that there was a leak on a three-way valve. It's a solenoid valve. And we also found that the button was indeed not working. So we took it apart, we metered the button, found it was actually not a button problem, nor a wiring problem, it was a control box. So we've gone ahead and replaced the control box and the valve, and you can see the pieces down here. The control box is there. Anyhow, we replaced all that stuff, and then it still wasn't working appropriately. The timer wasn't working when you push the button. I will demonstrate right now that it is going to draw a shot, but when we first put it back together, it did not draw a shot appropriately. We couldn't get the timer to work. So we replaced the flow valve as well, and as you can see, it just drew a single shot. I'll demonstrate that the steam also works. And for just a second, we're going to let water run. Okay, there you go. That is the Pasquini back up and running. Thanks for bringing it in, Marjan. It was a pleasure to work on. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. It really does help us out, and we'll see you in the next one.